Hey fashion flies, today I'm going to be showing you how I made this super cute cowl leg top. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is use some muslin and drape my pattern with my dress form. We're going to be using this beautiful velvet pink fabric that I got from my local fabric store, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out the pattern that I made. The triangle part at the top really just shows me where my bias falls, and I just use that as a guide, but we really won't need it in the end. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and cut out my front and back pieces with a lining and the main fabric. For the back piece, I folded down where the armhole of the main piece stopped and pinned it down and used it as a guide to cut out the main piece and the lining as well. Here I'm cutting off that top piece I don't need. I know guys, what a waste of fabric, but it's part of the process for me. And I'm going to just lay out each piece right sides together, but not sew anything yet because I need to get some strips for my straps. And I'm going to go ahead and cut some super long pieces. I did try this pattern out the first time, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I did not have enough for my straps, so I made sure I had more than enough. And I'm going to just go ahead and fold them right sides together and do a straight stitch down, and then I'm going to turn around and use my loop turner and turn it right sides out. I'm going to place my straps in between the lining and the main fabric while they're right sides together and pin that down. And I'm going to do a straight stitch all around the armhole and the top of the blouse. For the back, I'm going to pin the straps in between the lining just like I did the front, but I'm going to do the crisscross effect, and then I'm going to do a straight stitch connecting them all together. I wanted to French seam this garment so there are no raw edges, so I pinned them wrong sides together and did a zigzag stitch and cut off the excess as you see here. And then I'm going to take it to the machine and flip it right sides together and zigzag stitch again. For the hem, I just folded over the bottom and did a zigzag stitch all the way around, and we are done. This shirt is so cute and simple, and it was so easy to make. Thanks for watching. Bye.